So VEVOR ended up gifting us these furniture dollies. Now these dollies definitely come in handy. Now they do have two different sizes. This size is the 5.3 version of the furniture dolly. Now as you can see, they do have a very heavy duty steel that attaches to these caster wheels, and they do swivel 360 degrees. So that comes in very handy when you're trying to maneuver this heavy furniture or appliance or whatever you're trying to move. Now these wheels also have a lock to them, so if you need to lock it in position, you can do so just by turning this lock here, and that'll stop the caster wheels from spinning. Now this is the mechanism that you're going to need to use in order to get whatever you're trying to move up in the air so you can slide these underneath it. They also provide these two blocks that are basically going to allow you to get up underneath whatever you're trying to prop on these dollies themselves. Because these dollies are a very heavy duty steel, they also provide these pads to go on top of there, so that way you're not damaging anything you're trying to move. So if you're somebody who ends up needing to move a lot of things that are very heavy and bulky, you may want to consider these furniture dollies. They definitely come in handy for us, and they might just come in handy for you as well.